Talk about a two-way twister, shaking up the family tree with sibling synchronicity.
Talk about a two-way twister, shaking up the family tree with sibling synchronicity. Sister, never knew how much I missed ya. Now that everybody knows, I ain't ever gonna let you go. Yes, rise and shine, sunrisers. It is the last Monday of December. And listen, today, anything goes, because my co-host is today. And listen, if I feel like I just want to broke out into dance or sing to, I don't know, one of yours, drop it low, pick it up slow.
Let's get it today. That's right, let's do it.
Gonna do it. We are gonna do it. I'm so excited for that. Are you up for that, sis?
I am so up for it.
Thank you so much for being here with me
I'm so
today.
happy to be here, sister. What a way to close out the year with you.
I know. Can you believe
that.
it is the last Monday of December?
So glad.
Yeah, I know. How was your Christmas, though?
Christmas was lovely, babe. You were there.
I know. I'm acting like I don't know. Our Christmas was so fun. Our favorite thing ever is that we got a chance to come together and eat.
Yep.
And
100% and cook, but the eating definitely.
Yeah, we work hard on Christmas Day, for sure. And for two girls that did not grow up celebrating Christmas, we Christmas hard. Yeah. We really do. And we have turned it into something quite special for our family, for our children.
Making our little traditions.
Yeah, it's nice.
But
I do always, and so many people watching now, we are at the end of the year and we're thinking about our 2025 that has gone by and our 2026 that's coming up, and it can feel really daunting, especially if your year wasn't so great and there's all this pressure to make the next year the best year of your life. And so how are you feeling about the year gone by and what you have planned for the year coming up?
If I'm being completely honest, I am very happy 2025 is coming to an end. I think it was a tough year.
It was.
And I think as a collective, it was a tough year for us too, with everything that happened with Melissa, and everybody's going through their own personal stuff. So, you know, I'm very happy to bring it to a close and to just step into a fresh new start, you know, without the pressure of it has to be this, yes, we have goals and everything, but I'm happy just to do this.
Do you have like a ritual that you do at the beginning of the year where you like sit down and you journal? You know, some people like do a vision board. Like, are you doing that next year?
You know what, I used to, but if anything, I feel like I want to make certain goals for myself personally, as well as stuff like Voice Box. You know, there's certain things I want to see happen for us and certain things that I want to see grow in that aspect of things. And there's certain goals I want to set for myself with my kids. Yeah. You know, certain things that I want us to experience together. Yeah. So
it's also easy to look back on the last year and just see what was difficult about
it.
It's
so true, and not see the good.
And there are so many good parts.
Wins.
Exactly. And I tell you what, doing a vlog has shown me all the little magical moments that happen in, I always say, in the mundane. So, you know, look out for them. I would say for 2026, keep your eye out for the little moments that aren't massive moments, but they're little pockets of joy, they're little wins, they're little moments where you can be like, you know what, all is well. We're all okay.
It ain't so bad.
It ain't so bad. You know, today's an amazing show. It's a very special show. Tessie not just here because I'm a sister and she's pretty. It's because we have our Voice Box Performing Arts kids who are going to be a part of today's show and still continuing with that lovely Christmas vibe.
They're taking over the show.
Yeah, I love that. I love that. We actually have one of our lovely kids who we're going to be checking in with right now, Jazara.
Jazara, the beautiful young lady.
Hi, Auntie Tami. Hi, Auntie Tessie.
Hi,
Oh,
baby.
Auntie Tami and Auntie Tessie, I love that.
Full of manners.
How was your Christmas, Jazara?
My Christmas, it was so fun and exciting because all of my family members, they flew here to Jamaica to celebrate with us from many different countries, and it was just so, it was so nice to be able to spend my Christmas with everybody.
Oh, awesome. I love that. I love that. Well, you know, we were talking about our year gone by. How was your 2025?
My it hasn't been the best year, but I've done many new things in 2025. Like this year, I started Voice Box, and it's been such a good experience for me. So I'm starting many different things this year.
All right, I love that. Any hopes for 2026?
Pardon?
Any hopes for 2026?
I just hope To be more involved in just everything that's going around in the world, still being involved in Voice Box while also working harder in school.
I love that.
That's amazing.
You're
sweetheart.
brilliant, Jazara. I could talk to you all morning. I love that. Well, we're going to keep checking in with you every now and again, and I know we're going to be hearing from you later on in the show, and we're going to hear your beautiful voice along with the collective that is Voice Box Performing Arts, which I'm so excited about. They always, year after year, bring good cheer
And
here.
they've worked so hard, I have to tell you. Yeah.
Hey, children work hard, you know. Remember me tell you, you see if you're a mother out there or a father out there, you know how hard our kids are working at being good students, at being good siblings, at being good at
Citizens.
their extracurricular,
Yes,
being
good human beings, you know. And you know, I love that they're learning more and more that they're capable of doing things that may challenge them, but they come out on the other end of it. And, you know, everybody, like we said, has had their challenge this year or their little things that they had to overcome. And I think
even
for sure, in Voice Box, we see that every day. So, so happy to be here.
Yeah, me too. Listen, this morning we are bringing you, as I said, a very, very special show, and we're going to get it on the way. But we have a mixtape that they said is a I don't know.
With a
I
good
think it has
time.
something. I don't know what this mixtape is, but let's hear what it is. Hey, hey, come on, sing it, girl. We got a spoon.
Let me do them arms.
Come on, girl. Let me see if I find it.
the mic?
Come on, hold this. No, not
No, I
this.
can't do that. Hold on. No,
fork.
Popsicle stick.
Come on with
a
it.
fork.
Give me one. Sing it, girl.
And I can take away all.
Did I sing it properly?
Then what you want me to do? I don't know how else to be. Do you want me to take you home? Show you what my love can do, baby. Do what come on with Tami?
What did you
Lord
need?
Jesus,
Oh my
you're a
God.
fool.
I love this song. Good one.
Nice.
All right, if you take it in the next part is a problem. Watch out. Wash your makeup.
Yeah.
Yes, girl.
Hit him where it hurts.
Turn it up, look up. I can't hear it. Come
Sing
on.
it up, Tami.
Hey.
Oh, you're singing
And if you got some time to spare, I was thinking we could fall in love. Yeah, hit it right now. What's see that? Hey, I want to let you in. Are you willing to catch my fall if I happen to just fall for you? My love for you grows stronger every day, so much deeper, so crazy in ways I can't explain. I've been waiting for the day to call you mine. I was thinking we could fall in love. See that though? Hey, hey, so use them wisely. Shooting on your brothers with the lyrical bullets. Teaching.
I took them up.
I love it. Hey, yeah, man.
Don't you know? That's right.
I want if people know. So when we make the video, we're hot.
It was so hot. It was boiling. I nearly had heat stroke.
This is a good sound test. I am not the writer. I am just a messenger. The end is nigh. Don't close your eyes.
I got something to say.
Will you hear? I've got a burden to bear. And who will hear? Let him hear. Who will fight? Let him go to war. Who will let two step out of line and live for truth with help from all? Who is here?
Let him speak. Who sing? Let him say a word.
Yeah.
Who will challenge the life we live
By trying to forgive. All right, girl. Hey. Another day, another way. Listen, guys. This mixtape is killing me. My love for you is making news, is making hey, baby. Oh, what you dancing? Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, I can't remember it. Hey, hook our bellies, yeah. Show them, girl. Yeah. All right, we're going to the break.
I think I threw my back out.